3, 2, 1.
Who is the lead actor in Forrest Gump? The answer is A. Tom Hanks. What is the quantum mechanical model that describes electrons in an atom? The answer is D. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What British rock band did Mark Knopfler co-found with his brother David in 1977? The answer is C. Dire Straits. Which shape has only 5 vertices, 6 edges, and 5 faces? The answer is A. Tetrahedron. Which gas is released during fermentation? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Which fruit is often made into a preserve called marmalade? The answer is B. Lemon. What animal is Santa on the 2005 RuneScape Christmas special? The answer is B. Wolf. Who set the record for deepest free dive without fins? The answer is A. William Trubridge. When orders are sent from your brain to your legs, these signals pass through what type of cells? The answer is B. Nerve cells. Which of these dishes would you most expect to find in Chile? The answer is C. Pastel de choclo. Which protist is a biflagellate autotroph? The answer is D. Volvox. Which country is also known as the land of the morning calm? The answer is A. Korea. What does phagocytosis defend the body from? The answer is A. Pathogens. What ocean is located between Asia and Australia? The answer is C. Indian. How many children did the Winslow family have in the TV series Family Matters? The answer is A. 3. Which element has the highest melting point in the periodic table? The answer is A. Tungsten. 3 of these MLB players have hit a home run in at least 8 consecutive games. Which of the listed players did not accomplish this feat? The answer is B. Robin Ventura. How many children does Mel Brooks have from his 2 marriages? The answer is A. 4. Who wrote On the Genealogy of Morals, where he discusses master-slave morality? The answer is A. Friedrich Nietzsche. A student is pushing a 20-kilogram box up a ramp. Which change will require the student to use less force to push the box? The answer is C, decreasing the steepness of the ramp. What is a watch used for? The answer is C, telling time. What laboratory instrument is used to analyze and test for static charge? The answer is D, electroscope. Which of these could be an answer to a math problem involving volume? The answer is A, 8 cubic inches. On the TV show Martin, what was the name of Martin's boss at the W's Up radio station? The answer is B, Stan. Matter is made of what? The answer is A, united atoms. Who created the Super Mario video game franchise? The answer is B, Nintendo. What do you wear on your hand when playing the field in baseball? The answer is C, baseball glove. Which type of furniture has a writing surface and storage space? The answer is C, desk. Which of these is not a human hormone? The answer is D, vitamin D. What speaks without a mouth and sings without a voice? The answer is B, harp. What is it that you cannot hold in your hand, but if you drop it, it will fall? The answer is C, time. What Star Wars character on the dark side has a double lightsaber? The answer is A, Darth Maul. What does the coefficient in front of an element in a formula indicate? The answer is D, how much is involved in the reaction. The capital city of Sweden is? The answer is A, Stockholm. On which episode of Season 4 of Smallville does Clark meet Lois? The answer is D, Episode 1. The Thames passes through which major city? The answer is C, London. Scientists use the principles of what to make predictions, which they then test. The answer is C, their hypothesis. What group was popular in the 1960s with the hits Yummy 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 and Chewy Chewy? The answer is D, the Ohio Express. A student is measuring the boiling point of a salt and water mixture. He takes one temperature measurement of 105 degrees C. Which is the best way to ensure the results are valid? The answer is A. Repeat the investigation. Which fashion brand's logo consists of interlocking C's? The answer is A. Dolce & Gabbana. What animal has the ability to shoot a projectile from its penis? The answer is A. Platypus. Which car brand uses a four-ring logo? The answer is C. Volkswagen. Which civilization built the Moai statues on Easter Island? The answer is A. Inca. Offspring receive genes from their parents via what? The answer is C. Double helix. Jesse, a character on the sitcom Full House, was introduced by what last name in the first season of the series? The answer is C. Cochran. What language uses the Latin alphabet but reads from right to left? The answer is C. Hebrew. What was Pamela Anderson's occupation in Vancouver, Canada, where she moved after graduating from high school? The answer is B. Fitness instructor. What style is Gaudi's Sagrada Familia? The answer is C. Modernist. A muscle can return to its original length when relaxed due to a quality of muscle tissue called what? The answer is A. Elasticity. Which fruit contains seeds that are often used in baking?